Hey guys, everybody loves the great outdoors, and here at Durras Lake North Holiday Park, every cabin, every camping ground comes with its own fireplace. You can cook your dinner, and when you're done, presto, the lid lifts up and you can sit by the fire and toast marshmallows. When you make your booking online, you can add this 20 kilo bag of firewood onto your order or just buy it when you come to the park. Wow, that's a lot of wood. I find the easiest way to light the fire is with these environmentally friendly fire lighters, which are available to order online when you make your booking or available at the park. So what you do, just break off a square, get your lighter, light one up, and you'll have your fire going in no time at all.
Oh.
Hey Brett!
What?
Everyone knows you don't eat a marshmallow. When you're in front of a fire, you put it on a stick and you toast it. That's the best thing about camping.
Well, can I have one of those?
And lastly, all fires must be supervised by adults and fire restrictions followed here in the park.